So I moved to Australia and I have set a Proxmox server again. I had already virtual machines that I took as a backup on my external drives, and I got all those machines here. Now these machines which I was using most of the times, these are available here. One of the major machines is of course Docker engine, and one is Postgres, which has all my applications databases. So this is my backend for many applications that I'm using right now. But one of the things that I want to mention and why I made this video is to update the uh, packages to the latest release. So when I will be doing that, of course, if I show you, I will just log into this. So if I do sudo apt get update, so it is right now downloading from OM, which is Oman. And of course, it is going to take time because I am in a different country right now. So I can simply go into the repositories and update the list. So what I need to do, I need to, of course, update the apt list. So which is available in the apt. So let me show you right now on the root folder, there is nothing. So I'll be going to cd space xc space apt. So if you go into apt, there are various files and folders available. So I will be looking at sources.list. So I will do sudo nano sources.list, and you can see here that this doesn't have, of course, the list, but it says that it has moved to sources.list and ubuntu.sources. So let me open that folder, which is cd space sources.list.t, and it has ubuntu.sources. So let me do sudo nano ubuntu.sources. So this has all the sources, but you can see here that URIs are om.archive.ubuntu.com. So instead of OM, I will use AU because it will be then downloading all the packages which are locally available. So these archives will be locally available. So it will be faster when I will download or when I will install the application. So I will be simply changing this to exit. And I think that you only need to do this. So let me see other also. You need to only look at the sources.list.t. In this folder, you have the Ubuntu sources. So if I do now sudo apt get update, you will see here that it will be loading from AU now, which is Australia, so that it gets it downloaded immediately because it is now downloading from the local servers or servers within the country. So that is one of the things that I wanted to share, that if you have been following my YouTube channel, you have already seen that how these servers were installed and how these applications were installed. So I will do sudo apt get upgrade. So it will be now downloading the latest packages. Earlier it downloaded the lists, but now you can see it downloaded the packages from au.archive instead of downloading it from Oman server. So it is now using local systems to download the files and update the server. All right, so you can see here that it has now updated. And one of the important aspect here is to check the time zone. Of course, right now I'm in the Melbourne time zone, so I will do timedatectl. So you can see here it shows me the UTC as the time, 4th of December, but it's 11 p.m. So I need to change it. Instead of UTC, I need to change it to the Melbourne time. So I'll do sudo timedatectl and I will do set time zone, and it will be Australia, Melbourne. And how you can check it, of course, you can see the list of time zones. So this is Australia, and earlier I was using Asia, Muscat, and I will come here and paste it here. So Australia, Melbourne, enter. Now if I show you timedatectl, so the time is now changed. This is the UTC, but this is my local time. And why I wanted to change the time zone? Because I wanted to make sure that whatever cron jobs I will be running, and these cron jobs will be running as per my schedule.